Hi everyone, my name is Kamal Bensra. Welcome to Cajon Lesson 2. In this lesson, we'll be learning how to play the basic rock beat that you just saw. We'll be utilizing what I call the alternate hand pattern, which basically means using your right and left hand in an alternate fashion. So when playing the groove later, if you're right-handed, start with your right hand, and if you're left-handed, start with your left. And we'll first play without a metronome. So let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Before we start playing with the metronome, and if you haven't noticed, we're playing bass tones and snare tones, and we're also using ghost notes today. What are ghost notes? Well, ghost notes are basically notes that are unaccented, but they still form part of the groove. Now that we're going to be playing with a metronome, you'll need to download one first. I use the Pro Metronome app, and it's available both from the App Store and Google Play Store. You can download this, or you can download any other metronome app of your choice. So once you've downloaded an app, set it to 45 BPM, and let's start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. That's how you practice with the metronome. The tempo of the basic rock beat that you saw at the beginning of this video was 114 BPM. You can set this as your goal or any other tempo that's comfortable and achievable for you. With that, we've come to the end of Cajon Lesson 2. I hope you really enjoyed the lesson, and it would mean so much to me if you would subscribe to my channel if you like what I post. And if you have friends who would benefit from these videos as well, do forward this to them as well. Alright guys, take care, have a wonderful day.